Yo, hey. Oh, that shit hurts. Fuego, fire. What have you guys been watching while I'm gone? WTDs, hey titty sucker. Guys, I've been busy and I will be more busy more. Every fucking day, every week. So like for example, this weekend, yeah, on Saturday night, I'll be hosting party, and then Sunday morning or noon, I'll go for a yacht, and I don't know what else. Money. We'll go. And also my birthday coming up, so I gotta so much shit to catch up, you know. How are you, titty soccer? Looking cute today. The World Cup is fire. Which one? Which match you talking about? If you're talking about Portugal, man, go. Hi, Tom Portal. Looking cute today. Thank you. I don't feel like I feel cute today, but thank you. I got one pimple though. Just one. You know, last night I'm stressed like, what the fuck? I have 2 events in a row and I had no idea what should I wear. You know. Think I like my hair wavy like this. It's kind of like giving like a jello. You guys, last night I watched a Jello new movie. It's on Netflix. It's a romance comedy, I guess. It's called Office Romance or Romance Office. I don't fucking know. Okay, English sometimes it's just like romance, something like that. It's good because like, oh, by the way, I got my nails done yesterday. You see this? So this is flower. It needs to be like together like this. Bitch. See? It's cute. And then French nails. So I just realized this month I get my nails done twice a month. Why? Because actually the growth of my nails and my hair is pretty much good, but it's pretty much thin. Like, you know, it's healthy, but it's just genetically my hair and my nails is thin, you know. Fine thin hair. Ooh, so thin. What's the stream plan today? Let's see. Hello lady. Hi, I'm Lady Boy. Is it hot where you are? Exactly. How do you know? The heat waves is crazy. So I just come back from having lunch together with my XPA. She was my personal assistant, but she got a new job. It's fine. She still helped me with my dog sitter, so it's good. So I drive, man. Like imagine like hot waves, hot waves, heat waves, heat waves, and then badass traffic combined together. And this is me the whole time. So hot.